Hello my lovely people, you are welcome to my channel once again. I greet you all. If you know today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, please don't fail to hit the subscription button and press the notification bell in case anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you all that subscribe to this channel. Thank my viewer, I thank my supporter. May God grant you all desire in Jesus' name. You will never lack in life in the name of Jesus. Today, there is issue that we want to discuss about. This issue is concerning mother-in-law. Let's talk about mother-in-law today. This has been happening in different homes, having issue in different homes concerning mother-in-law. So we say, my mother-in-law is this, my mother-in-law is that. Yes, we understand. But there is a role. There is a role, important role that you will play in the life of your mother-in-law. You will not have problem with your mother-in-law. Listen very carefully. Please watch this video to the end before you can say your own opinion, before you can use your mouth to say whatever you want to say. Please just watch the video to the end, because we all are learning today. Nobody is perfect. We are not perfect. We are learning. This issue is that no matter how difficult, no matter how hard your mother-in-law is, there is a role you will play in the life of your mother-in-law. You will be the best daughter-in-law to her. Yes, you will be the best daughter-in-law to her. Because I know we women, some women, let me just put it in that way, we have our own character. Yes, we have our own, especially towards our mother-in-law. Especially towards our mother-in-law. Let's give an example. For instance, you got married now. If your mother comes to your house to pay you visit, you would like to do everything to your mother. You know, pamper your mother, do this, do that. You won't have any issue with your mother. You like to give your mother the best food, everything the best. But if your mother-in-law comes to your house, it will look as if it's a problem to you. Why? It will look as if it's a problem to you. Some will be squeezing their face. This woman don't carry a problem come again. Why? It's the woman that gives birth to your husband. He take care of your husband. No matter what, even though Nagari, now you give that man chop till grow before you marry him, he take care of him. If you use the hands when you take follow your mama, take follow your mother-in-law, me I'm not sure say you will get problem with your mother-in-law. Yes, believe me, you no go get problem. No matter how difficult that woman be, no matter how hard that woman be, you no go get problem with her. Some of us, we take our mother-in-law like, in fact, like as if it's our mates. Let's just put it in that way. As if our mother-in-law is our mate. You cannot even tolerate her. Any little thing she do in your house, it will irritate you. Because you are not happy that your mother-in-law came to visit. No, now. It's not good. It's not good at all. There is nobody, they put sugar. They carry sugar, they put them for your mouth, you spit them away. There is no way you take good care of your mother-in-law. Your mother-in-law came to visit you, you take care of her the way you take care of your mommy, you feed her, do everything. You know, it will say you'll be bad woman. No. Even though not difficult mother-in-law, there is a way you will take follow her. In your own side, you go, in fact, they will say, how you take follow that woman? It go dey okay for you. I remember one certain time, long time ago when they grow, they come. There was this woman like this. This woman not born care. I be muna no verse for anyhow. We speak correct, we speak bad. Anyone so far I understand. This lady so when they talk so, now 4 boys now you get, you know get. You know as that kind of thing they be now. And all the 4 boys, all of them don't marry. Anytime this woman, he go carry, he go pay visit for their house. some of the women for inside, not be all, they go dey do the woman anyhow. If the woman go, maybe they sick or anything, pikin so okay, me carry mama, me can't treat am before you go back. The woman not go fit stay 2 weeks. They go say, I want go. Because the wife, the way their wife, they treat the woman, you go see you want go, you no go fit stay again. Now so you can't take the goal of the house. Till one, you get one when they feel they stay. Anytime you go down one house, it go like to stay 6 months. And when this woman come back home, people, fellow women like her now, you know, say that they discuss now. Then they discuss this one. They say my mother-in-law is a witch. My mother-in-law is a that. No, it might not be a witch. Let's just put it that way. But wait till you do one. If you reach home, he made to go ask and say, you quick come you when they say you just go, you say pay go that woman the way they do. It better me go in house, go sit down in office they there. They say why did they do like that? Now not be your picking house. All those women when you discuss the matter, give when you just talk like that. Maybe one of them feel not good. You say you not see him. You say you not go better for them. As they do like this. When you there, they say your rapper, they so carry, they give your children. You know that they now when you say your children want eat, remember you not let you stay your picking house. Not be the woman swear for the woman or their children or in daughter-in-law. People when you discuss and give, now then go swear for them. They come see us and say, okay, what is if you go this one, this particular one house, you they stay rich like 6 months. You say that one, now it be the daughter when you never get. See that one, now be the, see not only that one, now they feel they go in house, in go stay. Now it be the daughter when you never get. They can say how. You say because anytime when you go down one house, you go treat her well. You go to say mama. You go treat her well no matter anything. But the rest, only one the day when you go come on the next day, now they will treat her well. If they want serve her food, no, who would they think? If they want serve her food, say they go even serve her with empty soup. Nothing there. Okay, more chook my put for this way. Imagine now when we say, you now me be mama of this person. You understand? Okay, I go greet my pikin. My daughter-in-law now, you go serve food. More just fed iron that one first now. Then you born the pikin when you marry. You go serve your husband food for your present. Like, let's say like 3 meat or 4 meat. You now go even put checkless small one, give you. You go the chop. Now I be say, if value your husband pass you, but now you born that man, now you train, now you don't know as you take train now. No, you not good like that. It's not good. Treat your mother-in-law well. What do you know so you not fit do to your mama? Not do one to your mother-in-law. And if you dey treat your mother-in-law, even though that mother-in-law na bad mother-in-law, now you go fight for you. No, you go fight for yourself. Anywhere where they carry you go, you go say, hey, Mona leave her, Mona not touch that woman. Now the daughter-in-law when you never see, now be this one. Now be this one. You understand? This woman come narrate the story. See if you go this one and say as this one they treat him well, say as this one they take care of him. He always they pray for him every morning for that village. Say he go better for him. Say he be they cry before saying not born woman picking. Say but since when that one they take care of him, he know they think and say he not get woman picking again. Because it's like daughter when he never gets. It's like daughter when he never gets. There is a way you take care of your mother-in-law. Okay, let's assume now, their mother-in-law will come to their house. They will turn their mother-in-law to a slave. Their mother-in-law will be the one to wash plates. Their mother-in-law will be the one to wash their children's clothes. Their mother-in-law will be the one to do one thing or the other. The day she didn't do, their eye will change. Because he can't greet you now. He don't turn to your ass girl. Waiting will be see if your mama come. What you not fit do to your mama. So even they talk to their mother-in-law anyhow. There is one I see experience. That one me I experience and not be say they say. This lady, if you want serve food, your mother-in-law food, you know go put meat. He go tell her say, Mama, oh, the meat where where remain for inside soup now small. You want use and serve your husband if you come back. You know if you serve your husband empty meat, but you serve your mother-in-law empty meat. You serve an empty food. You know if you serve your husband empty food. Even though that meat now one, you know if you cut into two. You know if you cut them into two. You want make the woman they happy or make they pray for you. Not be so. Make it they happy, make it they pray for you. No now. No, they use our head though. Nobody when they will put sugar for mouth, he will spit and throw away. Because what you do person today, they go do it to you tomorrow. Not because na so our mama they talk at here. They always they talking like that. They always they talking like that. And the one they baffle me, some men self go still dead there. Some men know they take no sense, so they know they use their mama till they play. Oh. Some men know they use their mama. If you mistakenly chook mat, put for where their mama did. Oh, sorry, na him be your name that day. Why some men go laugh? No, now. This one, your mama, even though your husband, your wife, they call your master and which mean he kill you, not be carry you for belle for 9 months, not be take care of you till as you take grow so you come marry, not be give you food. Why not kill you? Now your wife one come tell you say your mama na which, your mama na this, now you say no. Even though your mother-in-law not good, you're not pure, but there is a way. Because I know the good one, the bad one, they. But it's not the way that you will go to disrespect them. No, it don't make sense. There is a way you will take the follow them. Peace go dead that home. Your mother-in-law will love you. Your mother-in-law will talk good of you. There is a woman I know that time. I know this woman. I know her. Her husband not there around. He can't deal with his mother-in-law. He deal with her. I can't even ask her because that time we never married. We dey hear say mother-in-law not good, mother-in-law, all those kind of stuff of it. I say, that's your husband not there. You feel they stay with your mother-in-law. You see, why not? Why not fit stay? I can't they go the house. Can't they go the house? If you see the way that lady and mother-in-law be, if they not tell you, say na your daughter-in-law, you will say na your daughter. Now that girl, that lady day. Now, if your husband they go, they come, you not dead there. Now you forget all your children when you get. Even your mother-in-law say he no agree. He no want self make the lady come up for a body. The house where they build, now he and the lady, now he dead there. Now he dead there. If the house never say, who be this one? You say, okay, this one is my last daughter. Okay, I don't know this one. No, you was okay. You don't know this one not grow for home. Now, wife, a picking wife, now be that too. Now be that. Now the way the lady they follow one. The woman was so good. Even me said I can't like the way the woman they do. Even though anybody can't pay that lady video, you say no, he accommodates everybody because now the leg when that girl don't carry come out, they show and love. Now the woman they show anybody when come greet that lady. Now they show and love. Now they show and love. Now the way you will show your mother-in-law love, now you will show love, even though you get any bad intention for a mind before towards you. You will say, I not be so as I think this girl, or not be so as they tell me that year, not be so bio. This person a very nice person. No, na the respect, eh? If you dey talk na some go say na because you this is no, we understand. We dey see am, we dey hear am. Not be today it starts. That one not reach you to dey insult your mother-in-law, they talk to her anyhow, go serve her empty food, turn her to your slave. No. Wait till you know say you know fit do your mama, not do it to your mother-in-law. Not do it to your mother-in-law at all. Not do it. If after you don't suffer through your children, person, your wife Your pikin wife will come do unto you. How you go feel? Now that one you go first think. How you go feel? How you go feel? Don't do unto ram. It's not good. Even though he get the way she dey behave, call her, mama, wetin I do you? Why you dey do like this? Upon say you dey still dey try your best. I dey do this, I dey do that. Why you hate me? Why? Talk to am. Maybe e get where you never touch. Learn how to speak out. Learn how to say your mind. Learn how to talk to them. Not be by calling, not be by insult, not be by carrying am. They gossip am. If you pikin dey house, you go dey pepper am. Like say you be good wife. When you pikin don come out, you say, today you no go eat. You no go eat today. Some people dey like that. They will go greet their daughter-in-law. They go dey hungry. They go dey fear to say, I don't dey hungry. Oh. The daughter-in-law go give law. If you never reach so time, we not dey eat for this house. If you never reach so time, we not dey eat for this house. Maybe the woman don't dey hungry. Fear no go let her enter kitchen carry food. Because you don't tell us if you never reach so time. And not be that time now, you dey eat for your own house. You no go dey comfortable now. You go say, I want go. I'm not the hungry before I come here. Before this woman use hunger kill me. I want go. I'm not the hungry before I come here. You might go say, if you never reach 2 o'clock, you know they eat. You dey chop. You go see biscuit, you put for mat. You see bread, you put for mat. You see small thing, you put for mat. You dey wait till that 2 o'clock when you go cook. Now the woman go eat. Fear no go let her take anything. If now you go feel stay the house. Before 1 week, you be slave again. You when you be mama of yourself, you be madam of yourself. Even though na garri you dey drink for your house, you come another person house. You want use hunger kill you. You no go even say if na bread first eat and never cook. You go dey carry face. If he see you, if you even dey talk to her, he go dey ignore you as if in one kind thing. You go feel stay. But if some go see if their pikin come, now that time go dey. If the woman now come carry, go tell pikin say, I don't like the way this your wife they do. The man not go believe her. You know why? Because in presence of the man, the woman go do the back when the man don't go work, he go start alone. The woman say, I beg, why you want try spoil my wife name now? Not be my wife they take care of you before come home. Not be this, not be you do this one, not be you do that one. No now. Oh, they carry our eye down. No, they carry our eye down, they observe. Men, when I know they let women, they insult on a mother-in-law. No, even though you get money, you don't get money. Even though now the woman get the money when they take care of that house, you know good. Now see finish, now be that one. Now see finish. Now see finish. When you know see if your mama come, you know they hear wahala. If your mama come in house, you know go here. And so you go they prepare them. Mama, you go they pack meat, you go give her, you go they pack everything, go give her. When your mother-in-law come, you go change her. If it be they cook 3 times a day, go start with they cook once a day. Make this woman not come talk, say they chop you picking money finish. Why you get that mentality? Why you go they think like that? Why? We will learn how to respect them. Because all these things that they feel pay. Some go even they do bad prayer for their mother-in-law. No. We will stop all these things because what you do personal person go do you. Not because. Even though you know open mouth cost you. Not because so. Not because. Not because at all. No stop am, eh? No stop am. No matter who our mother-in-law be, no matter the character when she dey behave, but when you try to understand that woman, that your mother-in-law, you'll be the best daughter-in-law to her. Somebody summon their mother-in-law. Especially if their mother-in-law come they sick. You know, see them for there. They no go greet them. They no go come. Now that time they will carry all everything when they their mother. They say, you know, see, and what you do now they kill them. Now what your mama do now they kill them. You will be made, you say, hey, that's it now. Show now. You get money, not get money. Now your wife. You know good. Some men say they no go even allow you self. Chook man put for their family matter. Maybe you insult their family or anything. Talk less of the mama when born them. I give all those kind men, I give their hands. I'm not saying you go fight your wife for me, but there is the way you bring your law, your principle. Your wife go follow that law and your principle. Especially if you let her know say your mama na good person when you know they use they play. Fear no go let her chukuma to go there. But if you tell her say your mama na this or your mama na that, you don't condemn your mama, or you they even they shout for your mama for her present. They talk to your mama anytime your mama come around. And your wife will say, you don't finish now. Party. When your son don't they do this, the woman, hey, don't do. I bet you me you go your house. Carry your wallet, go your house. Come on from husband house for me. Husband house. Are you train the pikin? Even though not the pikin train himself. At least before pikin go start to the train himself, at least the mama go not train and reach like some years now. Even though not 2 years, 3 years, it train and reach. Maybe one thing happen. Nobody know. Oh, just leave that one for that side. Now you trainer for him. Now you born for him. I not bring this topic matter disrespect anybody. No. But this matter is getting out of hand. I don't want to disrespect anybody at all. I don't want to say this and that. No. But let's do something that is right. What you know say it right. No matter how difficult your mother-in-law be. But get way when you take the follow and say, quarrel no good day. Problem no good day. Anytime you come your house, you go feel comfortable. At least how many days did they stay? How many months did they stay? They will feel comfortable. Not be only when your mama come, your mama they feel comfortable. Your mother-in-law come, you no go feel comfortable. You think say that woman go you go house, you go dey happy. You see, you not see him. I just go in house only 1 week. If you not see what he do me, I begin to dey chop once a day. You begin to dey serve me like who they say they serve a ass girl. Or one thing. You go pack everything, put for front. You go the wolo for there. You go just serve her your own. No. It's not good. It's not good, eh? More learn how to respect. More learn how to love them, respect them. Because even though for nothing, even though for no reason, at least for the sake that is your is the man, is the woman that give birth to your husband. At least that one alone is okay. That one is alone is okay. It's okay for you to respect her. For the little time he will come to stay with you. How we say he wants to stay with you for them forever? Even though he wants to stay with you for them forever, there is a way you go take they follow your mother-in-law. You not go even feel and say na your mother-in-law. You go they feel say that you and your mama there. You go they feel and say that you and your mama there. Yes. You go they feel and no matter how difficult they be, at least I beg. Because we don't carry this mentality, put for the young one's head. Say mother-in-law no good. Anytime they say hey, mother-in-law, they always, even though mother-in-law never give them problem, they already put her for finger. Hey, this one I get mother-in-law. Me, I don't know how to take for long. They already talk say mother-in-law no good. No, Mona no they do like that. They already talk say mother-in-law no good. No, mother-in-law no good. Even the one where be say no good. You no go find a wicked point. You no go find wetin like. You no go find wetin not like. If you know wetin person not like, no do am to am. When the woman, maybe some women go say, okay, let me do like this. Let me see this woman when my pikin marry, whether na better person or not be better person. Some mother-in-law go first they ignore you first. They not go welcome you, all those kind of things. She understand. They not go welcome you. That they say me they see your character, me they see as you they behave. Whether you go curse them, or whether you go beat them, or whether you go fight them. By the time they don't use in different way, they try you. They say you not fall for that trap. Any person will talk bad of you, they go carry them. No chook man go there. Oh. That woman are the best woman I never see so far. You know many things when I don't take try her. whether you go fall put, you not fall put, then you don't win. That time, even though your husband said you even do anything, your mother-in-law, now you go carry your body, he go side you. My pikin, why they do this woman like this? He go side you, well. I don't see him. We say now, they say. Me don't see him. I don't see many home like that. When, especially for that lady when I first that woman when I first discussed, when get four boys, the rest still, they fit stay their house, but only one, because that one get a heart of mother. Now, woman when we say they respect him, mama, no fit disrespect him mother-in-law. The woman will come, go stay. Even the woman will say, go, you say, mama, stay. What you want go village, go do? Mama, relax. You know these old women, and they know they fit stay. They say, oh, my fan, or my friends, so you say, mama, relax, no worry. Anytime the woman, he would like to come. But the right, they say, mama, you say, no, you know they go. Even though you know where. No, I'm not buy medicine, come give me for you. Wait till they pursue you for other people. You say, no. You know they go. Because you don't go, you don't see. You go say, you better make they buy medicine, come give her for them. Maybe they manage waiting, they manage. If I'm access enough, we not carry come. Maybe they manage waiting, they manage for them. Then he go, they want small picking ass. He go by mistake pass like this. Hey, why you do this? Why you put this place like this? Why you do like this? You don't do like that. You don't know say you go very help me back, baby. You don't know say you help me wash plates. You don't know say slave we are there. Now you're slave. Now you're slave. Now you're slave. No now. No good. You know good, eh? We'll try our best. Try your best. If you don't try your best, say you don't try your best. I don't try. But you see, say the woman who no wants from it, or maybe you get one thing when you take the invest for you, when you say investation no one come out. God knows, say you don't try your best. Say try your best and leave the rest for him. That later, then you go to see her. Maybe you will go other place. Do all those ones that you will see her. If I go to this one and upon Sasa, they do like this. This one you go return back. You say this one are the best. I don't do many things for this one house. You know, maltreat me with food one day. You know, maltreat me, or you know, insult me one day, or you know, maltreat me with anything one day. This one are the best. That time, now you go come back again. You go draw you near body. That time, he won't be used mad, commonalize you say you na bad woman. Now you go come say, this one when me say na bad daughter-in-law, now be the best among them. Now be the best among them. Do your best and leave the rest on God. That's what I see him. That's what I see him. We dey learn every day, we know they know and finish. Why would they do this thing? Because of our children. Our children. They say big weapon in one. That not be say you don't know what they do. But for the sake of your husband, the sake of your children, the sake of people around you, so that they don't see, anytime my mother-in-law do. And so do this one, they do one. Even when your mother-in-law they talk bad of you, now people with around you will say, "Tie." That lady they take care of you like say na your own mama. No talk and go there. Not just talk. Not just talk. We not be say you must they present and give the money. The one you get, you give. The one you not get, they will understand. Now I still tell you one thing. He gets some. Maybe for instance, now I get what they do, celebrate, all these celebration things. Some go carry something. Even though their husband give them money, when they buy something, they will chuka, packet, they will carry go give their mama. They not go say, may they give their mother-in-law that one day village. Or they anywhere when you did. They don't say, may they give her, even though na one cup of rice, so they don't say, may they give her. They don't package everything, go give their mama. If the woman go and say, they carry something, they carry thing, he go in mama's side, he just they come, they figure back, maybe na one bready. Now I carry, hey mama, take I come today, I say make I come greet you. But you don't put bag of rice, put beans, put groundnut oil, put everything for your mama side. You carry bread or some not go even carry safe. They will just go. Ah, mama, yeah, come on, we just go party. I just say make her enter. Make her say how you dey. You say you just say buy a car. Yeah, buy a car. Nothing. Oh, this one I bread when I carry come give you. You know there. But you don't load everything. There is a woman I respect so much. I respect her so much. Anytime when they carry something, go home. It always they divide everything 50-50. This one I mama, this one I mother-in-law. One not the pass, one not the commons. If now 1,000 they put for, if now have a bag of rice, now so give this one to my mama, give this one to my mother-in-law. If now granite or yeah, one I put, now so if nothing tomatoes, one now so you will take divide down. If now 1,000, now you want to give them all, or even though you don't get money to put after you don't put all equal. You also just carry the load. Fair go my mother-in-law fire. Keep the loads there. Let them take the one when you want to take because he knows he don't share equal. Not be the one you say, my mother-in-law go fair pack or my mama go come. No. This for me, I witness some. Not be saying now they say me. I witness some. If mother-in-law go fair carry, me you can't carry. Before you can't carry, go give your mama. Because why? Clean conscience, fear no accusation. He don't share am equal. That woman not go dey happy. He go dey happy. You say this. Even though a pikin self not see money, not be pikin money, he take buy that thing. Now he go money. And so they do one. Because waiting you give your mama, your mother-in-law is equal to your mother. Your own mother-in-law is equal to your mother. Because now that man they take care of you. Now that man they feed you. Because now that man when they feed you, now that woman ain't born am. As that woman take born you won't pikin. When they feed you, now so your own mama still take born you. So as two of them dey together as husband and wife, anything when they work on together, una want take care of na family, una want take care of na mama, equal. Give her your own, may he take you home. If you don't do one like that, the peace go day. The happiness go day. There is no grudges. No way your mother-in-law will talk bad of you. No way your mother-in-law will say hate you. You will say, this one is the best daughter-in-law. I witness her. Don't be saying that for maths. If not some, you go do it. If you want take, make it take. In fact, I don't even they give him anything. I bet pass back here though. Fair carry give mama. You just go there, go give her if na one cup of rice. Don't let her see mama oh no. That one not good now. Why you they do like that? Why? No, why? Why? You expect that woman go hear am? They say now who they give person food to chop, now they had. Who they tell person matter, you know they had. As you say you pass backyard, go give your mama. When they pass that backyard, the enter, person don't see you, you go dodge your hide. You go meet your mother-in-law. That your daughter-in-law come oh. He say yes he come, he reach here. He say if you see things when he pack, come give your mama. When he give you, I say he can't say he just go somewhere, just say me bank, nothing no. And you expect make that woman feel. You say, you see and as I even there no food to eat today. Nothing. You don't pack go give your mama. You see my pikin not even say make he give her something, me give me. My pikin not even say, oh see now, you see now in the rule my pikin, now in the control. If you be say my pikin give her now, you use her pack give your mama. You see that's so the matter be. This matter no pass like that. No good, No we change. May we do our best. So that if our mother-in-law they do, you know, so you don't play your own part. You don't play. You see, say now person when be say you know they change, see they talk bad of you. Not be you go even testify for yourself. People when they say this woman no good. Upon how this woman they follow him, upon how this woman they take care of him, upon how this woman they loyal to him, upon how this woman they respect him. You see, they talk about this daughter-in-law, you must be a witch. At that time, they'll come, they say, this your mother-in-law is a witch. And that time, people, they call her witch, they don't say, yes, they get evidence. Why they say, this woman, not be only witch when they fly, now be witch. They will not say, yes, this is the reason why that they call her a witch. Let me say you never play good role, you never do anything good, you never try to know what in the vessel for mind, you never try to make friend with them, they close with them, you just the first time say, no. Try your best. When you don't try your best, you see say, you know one come my way, it's like she don't like me. That time, that will not give you right to curse them or to insult them. You use what call uche. You use what call uche. I call uche. Kick a use way back. I call uche. When kick be kogon. You not give you right to fight them at all. You not give you right to fight them at all. That's how I talk this matter. So we dey learn every day. Who fit still pick am? Make it still pick am. Una do well. Who still get any opinion concerning this matter? Your experience. May you drop am for the comment section. We dey learn every day. But go up, come down, no matter anything. Mona respect your mother-in-law. Respect your mother-in-law as you take respect your mama. Respect your mother-in-law as you take respect your husband. Now the matter, and so the matter reach, I carry come. I beg. So that our mother-in-law no go lay cost for us or for our children. I beg. Now the matter when I carry come, now I be that one. Una do well. May God bless una. As many when watch this program, may God bless una. Mona put all these things into a practice because practice make perfect. Do your best and leave the rest from God. I know God will fight our battle for us. Human being not fit fight your battle if not God. It's only God now they fight your battle. I beg. Because all this quarrel, mother-in-law, this mother-in-law, that mother-in-law, this mother-in-law, that. No. May we stop him. Even though your mother-in-law not good, try to talk to her. One-on-one. Mama, why you they do like this? Maybe the way you they ask him, not be quarrel, oh no. You go say, my pikin, because that thing you do like this, or that thing you do like, oh mama, no verse. You beg her. He pray for you. Finish. It's like your mother, when you offend your mother, if you see your mother don't change character towards you. You go, mama, why you they do like this? You go say, you see what you do, see what you do. You go still forgive you. That's if you use this and beat your pikin, you use this and draw them back. Now so my mother-in-law and mama, now so they be. Mother-in-law is like your mother. It not pass like that. The matter not pass like that. That's so it be. That's so it be. Any opinion when you get, anything when you get, just drop them for the comment section. We dey learn every day. I'm not come here to insult anybody. I'm not come here to throw mouth, give, say, any person. May anybody not quote me wrong, say, I talk the matter because of fun. No. Me, I not talk this matter because of anybody. I talk am from experience. Now understand. I not say this matter because of anybody, but for experience. I beg. I beg. God bless una. God bless all my supporters, all my subscribers. God bless all my viewers. All of now when they support me for this channel, God bless them. Una no go lack. Una no go lack. Anything wanna ask God, God go definitely do it for now. How wanna take give this video like, support this video, subscribe in one way or the other. That how we never know bad thing. Una no go pass road the day when bad thing dey road. Like Ogumagala, I was okay, Jinyaria. Now no go pass road the bad thing dey road. God bless una. Una dey shine, una shine. Una dey enjoy. Una dey shine. Keep on shining, 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 and enjoy. Please, una respect una mother-in-law. The way you respect your husband, the way you respect your mother, the way you respect somebody, people that are around you, respect your mother-in-law. So that problem no go dey come from mother-in-law side. So that mother-in-law no get any grudges for mind for you. So that you too free to ask your mother-in-law question. Mama, now your mama now. Mama, wetin I do when you dey vex for me? Mama, beg. If you lead down for your mother-in-law, you not come out anything for your body. Mama, beg, tell me wetin I do. Your mama go talk wetin you do. You say go say, oh mama, you don't understand. Now like this thing be now like you will still explain to her. Mama will come understand. You will say, okay. I mean, I be the verse for you, my pikin. I no know say na so the thing can't happen. The quarrel don't settle between una. 2 years no hear am. It don't settle, don't finish. Na so the matter reach. God bless una. Make I leave una. Until you see me in my next video. Keep on shining and God bless you. Bye for now.